Here's a question we've received. I have problems swallowing. Can I put my food in the blender, or should I be eating pureed food? The medical term used for difficulty swallowing is dysphagia. This can be quite bothersome and is very common as people age. Problems with swallowing can be the result of a stroke, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, or any other condition that causes the esophagus, which is the muscular tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach, to stop working properly. It can be extremely dangerous to blenderize your own food at home, as the end product may not have uniform consistency and could cause you to choke. If you require pureed or minced food, your best and safest bet is to purchase meals prepared by a company that specializes in its preparation and is regulated by Health Canada to do so. Heart to Home Meals is an example of an organization that complies to and follows strict guidelines in the preparation of their texture-modified line of meals.